We are currently in the Math Student Center. It's used by mainly math students, but it's open to everyone in the university to come and use. Inside we have these wonderful, huge blackboards. Students can use it to visualize something that would probably be too long to write on one piece of paper. There are individual booths that you don't really have to book out. You can just come and use them. And we also have regular maths workshop classes. I am a workshop helper, and we have third year and PhD students that help out first and second year students, not only related to their course, just questions in general. The Math Student Center is really nice. It builds sort of like a small community. You walk in, you'll always know someone sitting here. So it's nice that way, instead of studying by yourself, possibly doing your coursework or assignments with them. I've come in here many times not knowing what I'm doing and met my friends and course mates, and we've solved it and worked through it together.